ringworm infection, it is a kind of skin infection caused by certain fungi. Mostly this fungus causes infection in the skin folds where there is a lot of moisture, maybe between the fingers or between the toes, or sometimes armpit region, neck region. It causes infection where the boils appear on the skin and you feel a lot of itching sensation. Whenever you scratch that region, the spores stick to your fingers and nails, and wherever you scratch with those contaminated fingers, it spreads fast, and it is caused by certain fungal spores like epidermophyton, microphyton, fungal spores like epidermophyton and microphyton. So these fungal spores cause a kind of skin infection called ringworm infection in human being, which is highly contagious, spreads easily from one person to another person.